Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can load image from network or internet in your Android application. So first of all, let me show you the output of this tutorial. So at the end of this video you will get something like this. This is edit text. Here we will put the image URL, and I will copy this image URL and I will paste it here. Okay, and we click on this button. So on the click of this button we are loading this image in our image view. So we have three attributes here. The first one is edit text, the second one is button, and the third one is image view. Okay, so for this purpose we will use a library which is called glide. So you just search for glide on your browser, and the first link, open the first link of the glide official GitHub link. From here we can add the glide library to our Android project. So you have to copy these two dependencies from here and go to your Android project. I have already created the Android project, so if you don't have any project, so create it and paste these dependency in your build.gradle file and click on sync now. So it will add the glide library to your project. And second, uh, you have to add the internet permission in your manifest, because we are loading image from network, so we need the internet connection in our application. So to add the internet permission, go to your Android manifest and add the internet permission here like this. Okay, so now we will open our activity main.xml. So I will just remove this text view from here. I will just delete it. Okay, and sorry, I will delete the text view from here. Okay, so now we have to add the edit text. So we have plain text, so it is edit text. We will add it here, and I will connect the constraint to vertically or horizontally. Now in the code section I will just change the ID. I will name it et image URL, and I will change this to hint, and in the hint we type enter image URL, and we will remove this. Okay, so now I have to add the vertical bias of 0.3, so it will goes a little bit up, and vertical bias 0.3, and as you can see here it goes up from the center. So now we have to add a button here. So I will add a button here like this by drag and drop. Will connect the constraint, and I will connect the top constraint to the edit text bottom, and I will give a margin of 24 dp 24. Okay, and we need an image view to load our image in that image view. So I will add an image view, and I will just simply add this image, and I will connect the constraint, and I will connect the top to button bottom, and bottom to bottom parent. Okay, and now in the code section we just need to change the button btn load image, and I will copy it because here we are getting error, and I will change this image. I will change this to load image. Okay, and I will leave image view ID as it is. Okay, so now we will open the Java file, and here I have to initialize these views. So first of all, edit text et image URL is equal to find me by ID or dot ID or dot ID dot et image URL, and second one is button, button btn load image is equal to find view by id, btn load image, and the image view, so I will just name it image view is equal to find view by id, dot id, and image view. Okay, so our views are initialized, and now we have to add a click listener on this button. So when the user click on this button, so we will load the image from that URL. So btn dot set on click listener, type view and enter. First of all, we need to get the string from our edit text, so we will store it in a variable. We will name it image URL is equal to et image URL dot get text dot to string. Okay, so now we have to do the important portion, the glide thing here. Okay, so we will just simply type glide dot with and select the first one, which is accepting the context as a parameter. So we will pass this as a context, and we will use the load. So here we will pass our image URL, okay, and the next thing is we will set our target into, and type into and select the first one. As you can see here, it shows us a parameter as a target, so we will pass our image view here, as we are loading our image in our image view, and I will just add the semicolons, and now we will run the application. But first I will close this one. Okay, I will run it again, and from here we will change the image now. So I like this one. I will simply copy the image URL, and when our application is ready, so we will paste the URL here. Okay guys, so our application is ready, so we will just paste our URL here, and we will paste it. Okay, this is our URL, and I will click this load image button, and as you can see here, it is loading the image, but my design is not very well, so you can design it what you want. But the important thing is this is loading image from the network. Okay, we are loading this image, as you can see here. So that's it for this video guys, and if you like this video and you are new to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends.